Is IRT new for you? We're here to show you the ropes. Watch this video to learn how to use IRT. We will give you some helpful tips to improve your experience of the platform use. Firstly, you have to sign in into your account on the irt.InSysBio.com. This is what the platform's homepage looks like. In the section page, you will be able to read supplementary files and manuals. Section schemes of the upper panel give an access to the full list of IRT schemes. Click once on the scheme name to navigate between schemes. Each element of the scheme is clickable. One left click on the element opens annotation on the right panel, in this section this eye pictogram. Formulas will be shown in the separate window if you move the mouse to the blue dots outlined area. Annotation, comment, and additional files for the equations and parameters may be found by tags on the bottom of the annotation panel. Second left click provides an element to the group available for export. Included elements are colored as green lines. To remove the element from the group, left click again. You may select the elements from different schemes and use a card pictogram to manage the selection. Full list of selected elements is available on the right panel in the section this star pictogram. You may save your selection. Move the arrow to the diskette pictogram on the upper panel and click Save. Selected elements will be downloaded to your computer in the JSON format. To load this file to the navigator for further work, click Load and select a pathway to your file. To export all selected elements, go to the Export in the upper panel. Select appropriate export format you need and click Save to File. Then calibrate and add IRT submodels into your QSP project, or just find an information for modeling in annotations. Good luck!